So it's my birthday today and I wanted to give you a gift. I know how painful it is if you've been betrayed, and I know for certain betrayers who are ready to become someone they're proud of, they're going through a lot themselves. So I want to take $200 off either of our programs for the betrayer, for the betrayed. And for that, what you do is you go to the PBT, as in post-betrayal transformation, thepbtinstitute.com, and choose the reclaim if you are the betrayed, rebuild if you are the betrayer, and enter code WHWE. WHWE. That will take $200 off the program. Do it now. It's my gift to you. Let's get you feeling better. You're going to meet with our coaches twice a month. You're going to see me and ask me any questions on our open Q&A calls. You're going to have access to the predictable, proven Betrayal to Breakthrough program, which literally moves you through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough. You will be with the most incredible community, all research-based, what you need to move through the stages. They're there to lift and inspire. Hundreds of classes and master classes from the most brilliant experts, everything that the research proved we need, and our experts, our coaches who are certified, and they're bringing in their own areas of expertise in addiction, narcissism, divorce, reconciliation, chronic pain, mindset, you name it, we got it. So WHWE today for $200 off, thepbtinstitute.com. Let's get you feeling better. And happy birthday to me and you.